Hello friends. Today we are going to talk about one of the most powerful, technologically advanced, and still widely debated fighter aircraft in the Russian Air Force. That aircraft is the Su-35. This is not an ordinary fighter jet. It is an air hunter belonging to the Generation 4++ category, combining speed, sensors, extreme maneuverability, and long-range weapons into a single platform, fundamentally changing the concept of modern air combat. The roots of the Su-35 go back to the legendary Su-27, which emerged during the Cold War era. At that time, the Su-27 was Russia's answer to the American F-15. However, as the world entered the 21st century, air combat changed completely. Radar systems, electronic warfare, long-range missiles, and digital flight control technologies advanced rapidly. As a result, Sukhoi engineers were forced to completely modernize the Su-27 platform. The final result of that evolution is the Su-35. Its first flight took place on February 19, 2008, and it entered operational service with the Russian Air Force in 2014. The Su-35 is not a stealth fighter. It is not designed to hide from radar like the F-22 or F-35. Instead, the Su-35 follows a different combat philosophy to compensate for the lack of stealth. I do not hide. I see from far away. I strike from far away. And if you come close, I outmaneuver you. This philosophy defines the design of the Su-35. The aircraft has a length of 21.9 meters, a wingspan of 15.3 meters, and a height of 5.9 meters. Its empty weight is approximately 18.4 tons, while the maximum takeoff weight reaches 34.5 tons. The Su-35 can fly at speeds up to Mach 2.25, roughly 2,400 kilometers per hour. Its combat radius exceeds 1,500 kilometers, and its ferry range is more than 3,500 kilometers. The airframe is built using titanium alloys, high-strength aluminum, and composite materials, making it both rugged and durable. The cockpit is a fully digital glass cockpit. It features large multifunction displays, hands-on throttle and stick controls, and a helmet-mounted display system. The pilot can lock missiles simply by looking at the target. Radar, infrared sensors, electronic warfare systems, and weapons are all integrated into a single information control system, providing the pilot with one complete tactical picture and significantly reducing workload while increasing decision speed. At the heart of the Su-35 are two Saturn AL-41F1S engines. Each engine produces approximately 14.5 tons of thrust. These engines are equipped with three-dimensional thrust vectoring nozzles, allowing the exhaust direction to be changed. This enables extreme post-stall maneuvers such as the Cobra maneuver, very high angles of attack, superior low-speed control, and unmatched agility. In a dogfight, the Su-35 can point its nose in a different direction from its actual flight path and still launch missiles accurately. This aircraft fights using pure physics. The primary radar is the Irbis-E passive electronically scanned array radar. Under ideal conditions, it can detect targets at distances between 350 and 400 kilometers. It can track up to 30 air targets simultaneously and engage up to 8 of them at once. To detect enemy aircraft without emitting radar signals, the Su-35 is equipped with the OLS-35 infrared search and track system. This system detects heat signatures and is especially important for detecting stealth aircraft. The electronic warfare system used by the Su-35 is the Irbis-E complex. It is capable of jamming enemy radar, disrupting missile guidance systems, and deploying electronic countermeasures. In modern air warfare, the most powerful weapon is not a missile, but information dominance. The Su-35 fights not only with weapons, but also within the digital spectrum. The Su-35 has 12 hardpoints and can carry roughly 8 tons of weapons. Its arsenal includes AR-73 and AR-77 air-to-air missiles, the long-range AR-37M missile, precision-guided bombs, Kh-29 and Kh-31 anti-radar missiles, as well as anti-ship weapons. The combination of a powerful radar and long-range missiles makes the Su-35 highly suitable for the standoff shooter role. The aircraft is fully compatible with network-centric warfare. Through data link systems, it shares real-time information with AWACS aircraft, ground radar stations, and other fighters. The pilot can even switch off the onboard radar and fight using external sensor data. Modern air combat is no longer about individual dogfights, it is about team combat. The Su-35 operates as a flying sensor within that network. The Su-35 has been used in escort, patrol, and strike roles during the Syria conflict. In the Ukraine war, it is used primarily as a long-range missile platform. Compared to stealth fighters like the F-22 and F-35, the Su-35 has a larger radar cross-section, and the lack of an AESA radar is a limitation. However, in close-range combat, its maneuverability, raw engine power, and kinematic performance still make the Su-35 an extremely dangerous aircraft. The design philosophy of the Su-35 is simple. See from far away. Strike from far away. If the enemy comes close, win through maneuverability. It may not be a stealth aircraft, but being non-stealth is itself the Su-35's greatest weapon. Su-35, a symbol of power in the Russian Air Force. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we invite you to subscribe and click the bell button. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Until we meet again with another video like this, wish you success.